Welcome to Gabriel Auto Channel, Tricks and Trade. Today we're working on how to jumpstart a car battery once it go dead. Alright guys, you have the black lead, you have the red lead, right? Follow me guys. Right? On the battery it's red and black, right? First, connect the red leads first. Right? Second, the black lead. Right? Black. Now we have the red lead and the black lead. Connect it to the other battery, but you don't put the ground onto the battery. Find a different ground, because you don't want to find a different ground to use, because you don't want to right? Now you let the other car idle up for a couple of seconds, up for like a minute and a half, right? Then go into the car, make sure the lights are off. You see the lights, any accessories on, AC, whatever, fan, whatever, make sure they are off. Right now you turn the key on to the on position and you let it idle out. Right now you start the car. Guys, thank you. Like, subscribe and follow.